In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in positive MACD. We're slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. As with the 4-hour chart, we're about to approach to positive MACD. We did bounce right off the 150 moving average, this red line at a price of $24.80. As with the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry is at $21.76, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $23.85. My stop loss is at $21.06. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.46, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $22.50. and my stop loss is at $25.25. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 31% chance to climb between 0 to 6%, a 15% chance to climb between 6 to 12%, an 8% chance to climb between 12 to 19%. To the downside, it has a 46% chance to fall between 0 to -6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.